Marmox Multiboard screw and washer fixing instructions for solid walls. Begin by measuring the multiboard and cutting it to size. They are easy to cut using a saw or knife. Offer the multiboard up to the wall and use Marmox washers and 50mm screws. You'll need longer screws when fixing thicker boards. Do remember to be aware of any electrical cables or pipework that may be in the wall. Use 3 rows of 3 fixings for short boards and 3 rows of 5 fixings for long boards, with the outer fixings approximately 1 inch from the edge. Tape all the joints with Marmox reinforcing tape. If the area needs to be waterproof, use Marmox self-adhesive waterproof tape and ensure all corners as well as joints are taped. To finish, you can either tile, plaster or wallpaper. If tiling, simply tile directly to the multiboard. For plastering, coat the multiboard with 1 part PVA and 5 parts water. Then plaster while this primer is still tacky. If wallpapering, just use a rubber mallet to sink in any washers that are protruding. Then cover with the lining paper before applying the final wallpaper.